Yep, we got another nice listing for you. You guys need to check this one out. We've got acreage. We've got, as you can tell, there's a river. You have the Little Kanawha River that is plumb full of fish. All you need to just throw a bare hook out there and catch them. You don't even need bait. Okay, well, maybe you need some bait. So anyway, great access. You've got a blacktop road that is very seldomly used. As you can see, there's no traffic out there. The camper and that little building that's on this piece of property, and there's electricity going through there. You can see the power line coming along. There's city water on this piece of property. Believe it or not, here we are out in the middle of nowhere, and we have city water. Has lots of nice hills back through there, and there's a four-wheeler path leading back to the top of the mountain. And as you notice on this video, you can see the pine trees there. So this guy was a hunter who owns this piece of property. He hasn't hunted in a while, but he planted all these pine trees in there to keep people from being able to see back up to his food plot. That area up there was his food plot for his deer, and he's got a little hunting shanty up there for his deer hunting extravaganza there. Of course, there's deer, there's turkey, there's small game. They got a little bit of everything on this piece of property. So if you want to turn this into a homestead, they've already got a prepared field right there. You could plant whatever for your homestead. Take care of being more self-reliant. And as you can tell, it's not real steep right there, so plowing should be fine. Having fish there makes you be a little bit more self-reliant too. You're not too far from Grantsville. Grantsville being the county seat of Calhoun County. There's a grocery store there and the things that you need. So Spencer is I don't know, probably 30 minutes away. And there's a super Walmart and about everything else. It's a bigger town than what Grantsville is, but Grantsville has most things that you need. It's a nice little quiet town. So anyway, take a look at some of our other videos. Give us a call at 304-377-3758. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that way you can get a hold of these listings first. And don't send me an email, don't send me a text. Pick up the phone and call me, because by the time I see that email, you're trading daylight for dark. So thank you so much for viewing, and you have a wonderful day.